Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are delving into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the first day of May in the year 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our predictions, achieving a gain of 2.54%. This equates to an average return of 1.27% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 14.49% over the next 3 months, with a range of potential returns from -38.05% to +0.581%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected decline of about 11.6%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary between -33.74% and +46.94% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.67 and $5.92. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price up 2.54% on Friday. The NIO stock price gained 2.54% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, rising from $3.93 to $4.03. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.62%, reaching a low of $4 and a high of $4.15. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 14.33% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 13 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $112.25 million. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, and the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 47.73% or $3.68 below the 52-week high and 93.98% or $62.96 below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has posted significant growth in its April delivery numbers, achieving a remarkable 53% increase year over year. This notable performance positions NIO favorably within the competitive electric vehicle sector, especially alongside other key players like XPeng, which saw an impressive 273% surge, and Li Auto, which also reported a healthy 31.6% increase. Market analysts have responded positively to this momentum, with some forecasting potential further gains. Citi's analysts noted that upcoming product launches and a projected surge in second-quarter shipments could elevate NIO's performance by over 50%. Their expansion efforts, highlighted by the introduction of the new Firefly brand aimed at competitive European pricing, signal a strong commitment to market growth despite tariff pressures affecting costs. However, market volatility, particularly due to tariff challenges, continues to cast a shadow on NIO's stock performance. While the stock has recently seen a nearly 40% uptick, analysts remain cautious about the overarching impact of tariffs on its longer-term outlook. In summary, the recent delivery performance and optimistic forecasts are likely to bolster NIO's stock in the short term, especially if they maintain their growth trajectory. However, ongoing tariff-related concerns could temper investor enthusiasm, making it essential to monitor these developments closely. The combination of strong delivery results and potential for future growth may provide a basis for optimism, but investors must remain vigilant regarding external economic pressures. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, here is a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $4.11. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $4. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close attention should be paid to the stock. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 6.5%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 38 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 4 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock has the potential for significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of 14.5 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 3.62%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.79%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 22 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.44. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point of consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.98. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of May, we anticipate NIO will open higher by approximately 2.83 cents, starting at $4.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.